Morning.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Going to call the docket this morning. Please mute yourselves until I call upon you. First case, 622-597, State versus Ernest Regalado. Attorney, Roberto Vargas. Ernest Regalado. Failure to appear. Roberto Vargas. Absent. Attorney is absent. This is the 13th setting. 628-975, State versus Sylvia May. Attorney, Sharon Sheffield.
Present, Your Honor, and she should be present also, Your Honor. Your Honor, we filed a competency review, and we still have not been. She has not been examined yet.
All right. We're going to give you a reset for 60 days. This thing has been reset 12 times, Mr. Sheffield. I understand if there's a competency issue, we have to handle that.
We have had the hearing, Your Honor. We're just waiting to have the actual exam.
All righty. Thank you, sir. You got anything else, Sean?
Nope, that's it, Judge.
Then you're excused for today. Thank you and take care.
You too, Judge. Take care.
April 26th, Sean.
I'm sorry?
April 26th.
20. Thank you.
632-893, State versus Rocky Jaregui. Attorney, Jaime Aldape.
Morning, Your Honor. I'm here for Mr. I've been saying it Jaregui, but maybe you said it correctly. He's here as well, Judge. He's on the Zoom. If I
Very
could
good.
confer with the DA.
I would suggest you do that, Mr. Aldape. You've been reset 8 times, so I want to see some disposition of this, or at least a scheduled disposition, all right?
Yes, Judge. And also, I also have on the docket Mr. Michael Lopez, who's here as well. I'm going to confer about that as well,
Give me
Judge.
the case number, sir.
Michael Lopez.
Here it is.
on.
It's right, same page, 652-482, Michael Lopez.
That's correct, Judge.
Lopez,
He's there. Michael, say hi. He's muted. Hit the unmute button.
all right. Mr. Aldape, I'll point out that this case has been reset 11 times already, so I want to see some disposition here.
Thank you, Judge. I'll come back after I confirm.
Thank you, sir. 639-548, State versus Albert Barnes. Attorney, Patrick Montgomery.
Morning, Judge. Mr. Barnes is a fugitive out of the 186th District Court. He's got a couple of felony warrants out of that court, and I don't expect him to show up here today.
Well, by golly, we'll continue his trek on being a fugitive, because we're going to issue a warrant for his arrest too.
Yes, sir.
All righty.
If he shows up, just give me a call and I'll come back.
Okay.
Thanks.
As some people would say, fat chance, huh?
Got to agree with you there, Judge. See you later.
Take care. 639963, State versus Danilo Castillo Mesa. Attorney, Miguel Hernandez III.
Good morning, Judge. How are you doing?
I am well. How about you, Mike?
Fine, thank you, sir. My client is on, he's under, it looks like Jose Danilo.
Jose
Your Honor-
Danilo, where are you, Jose Danilo?
Login, right?
Pardon me? Hello?
He's got a green T-shirt on, Judge.
Okay, Jose, you're muted.
There he is.
Good morning,
Buenas.
Jose. ¿Cómo amaneció?
Bien.
All right.
Your
What are you
Honor,
doing this morning, Mr. Hernandez?
Your Honor, we have an offer extended. I have spoken with Mr. Danilo, but I believe he needs to speak to an immigration lawyer on this matter to get advice as to how to proceed with the offer.
Okay, you're looking at Padilla versus Kentucky. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Going to give you a 30-day reset for that purpose.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You got anything else, Mike?
That's it, sir.
Okay, then you're excused. Have a good day. Stay safe.
Thank you, sir. You too. May my client be excused also?
Yes, sir. Mr. Castillo
Go ahead.
Lopez está libre. 650-117, State versus Zachary Martinez Crumpton, attorney Christopher Castro.
Judge, I'm present. Mr. Crumpton is calling my office. He's having some issues logging in. But I would like to confirm in the meantime.
Alrighty, I'll forgive him, particularly since I was ready to get on this morning at 10 till, and I couldn't start this damn thing until about 9:07. So okay, we understand the issue. What are you going to do?
I'd like to confer with the state judge. Additionally, I'd like to make a quick announcement for John Pettis. He's page 3 in the docket for Rosalinda Ortiz. Mr. Pettis is currently in another court, so he may be running late.
Okay, John Pettis. Where is he?
He's page 3 of the docket.
Three. Oh, the defendant, John Pettis. I'm thinking.
No, the attorney, John Pettis, sorry.
Okay,
Defendant's
there it is.
Rosalinda
There
Ortiz.
it is. All right, he's in the other court, OC. 665-791, Rosalinda Ortiz. Are you here, ma'am? Rosalinda Ortiz.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Hey, good morning, Ms. Ortiz.
Good morning.
Your attorney is tied up elsewhere. He'll be here after a while, so stick around.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. All right, anything else, Mr. Castro? I guess not. 652-482, State versus Michael Lopez, attorney Jaime Aldape, we just called that, sorry. 653576, State versus Joshua Garcia, Oscar Hernandez. Joshua Garcia.
I'm
Joshua
present,
Garcia.
Judge. And he was to hire another attorney, so I've reached out to him, haven't heard back, so.
Well, if he's not here.
Okay.
I'm gonna get a failure to appear on him and we'll see what happens.
Okay.
Sir, I'm sorry. I was on mute, sir. I'm Joshua Garcia. I'm sorry. It was on mute.
All right, did you hire somebody to replace Mr. Hernandez?
That's where I'm still like on the process. Like I did spoke to this one guy and stuff, Javier Garcia, but I don't know about him. I'm gonna check in with some other guy. It's because I just barely got a job as well. I was gonna say,
Mr.
can I get a
Garcia,
recess?
hello, Mr. Garcia.
Yes, sir.
Your case has been reset 8 times. I'm gonna give you 2 weeks to come back with a new lawyer. Either that, or we're gonna put you to trial. You take your choice. 2 weeks.
Okay, sir.
Linda, what's the date? Hello, Linda.
March 17th.
All right, you got that, Mr. Garcia?
Yes, sir.
All right, you're excused. Mr. Hernandez, you got anything else? Oscar? I guess he doesn't either. Six five four 518 State versus Efrain de Luna, and that's Efrain Torres.
Judge, good morning. Mr. DeLuna's here in my office. Judge would like to confer, and I think he has a companion case on that.
All right, that's 654-519. So we'll let you confer on both of those. Thank you, sir. Second page, 656-891, State versus Charles Gracia, attorney James Oltersdorf.
Judge, I'm here. Mr. Gracia is on the Zoom. I probably need to talk to the DA. We were here about a month ago. It's an assault case and the DA needed to make some contact and I provided them with a contact number of their complainant. So could I probably get in line to talk to a DA on the assault case?
I have marked you to confer, Mr. Oltersdorf.
Yes, sir. I'll probably need to go over to Carruthers Court too, but Judge, I wanted to mention, if I may, I have another person that is said that I provided him with the Zoom this morning. They were not in court yesterday. His name is Taylor Wetch, W-E-S-C-H. It's an MTR.
Right. I remember he didn't show.
And he said he changed his name. A minute ago, I saw his name on the screen. Just now, he dinged me on a what do you call it? I don't see him up there right now, but he said he was in the hospital yesterday
I'm right here, sir. I
Okay,
just
well,
changed
I need
it.
your
Yeah.
name, sir. Remember like I told you?
Yeah, I just changed it on my phone. I don't understand why it,
Oh, yeah, okay. So Judge, there he is, Mr. Westfield. Let me come back and confer if I may. I don't have a case number in front of me, but he was gone yesterday, so thank you.
All right.
Stay on, Mr. West. Don't run off.
yes, sir. I typed in my name on it.
657-418, State versus Lorenzo Esquivel, attorney Eduardo Garcia.
That's the motion to suppress at 1:30 today, Judge.
Okay, 1:30. Six 739, State versus Jonathan Rojas Aparicio, attorney Ronald Zimmerman.
Yes, Judge, Ron Zimmerman here. I discussed this case yesterday with the district attorney, and I think we've got an agreement that all 4 cases will be dismissed. If you could, Judge, could I be put into a conference with Mr. Delco? Into a breakout room.
Is Mr. Rojas Aparicio here?
Hello, sir. I was trying to get my camera to work. I'm present.
You mean you're having trouble with a computer? My goodness. I started off the same way. So anyway, stick around. Sounds like Mr. Zimmerman's done you some mighty good work. So we'll see what happens. Mr. Zimmerman, I've got you listed to confer.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. 661-233, State versus Randall Lewis, attorney Ed Piker Jr.
I'm here, Judge. We've sent him the info. Hopefully he's on.
Here.
Good. If I could confer with the DA, please.
You are scheduled to confer, sir.
Thank you.
Let me remind you, Mr. Piker, that this case has been reset 8 times, so we need to move it along, please.
All right.
Is Mr. Lewis with you, or is he here? Randall Lewis.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm here.
Good morning. All right, your attorney will be doing some work, so stick around.
Thank you very much.
663-175, State versus Tamara Gordley, attorney Rosendo Parra III.
Good morning, Judge. I'm not sure my client's on here.
Doesn't sound like it. It's mighty silent. We'll give her a few chances. Tamara Gordley. Tamara Tyshell Gordley. Failure to appear. Mr. Parra, what are you going to do?
I haven't been able to get a hold of her, Judge, so.
All right. Let us know if you find her. Otherwise, it's a failure to appear.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
She is listed as a fugitive. She's got 4 felonies, 3 of them unindicted.
Right. She has another attorney representing her on that. That was supposed to be dismissed, but it's a big old long story on that one.
Ready. Let's see what happens.
All right, Judge. Thank you.
Page 3.
Dismissed.
665-135, State versus Christopher Kite, attorney Jason Goss.
Present. Patrick Ballantyne appearing for Mr. Kite. He is online. I think his name is Kite iPhone.
Correct.
If you would please put us in your queue to confer.
All right, sir. I'm doing just that. Six 791, State versus, by the way, Mr. Ballantyne. Mr. Ballantyne.
He went to a breakout room, Judge.
All right. 665-791, State versus Rosalinda Ortiz. John Perez answered on that.
Actually, Judge, I am sorry, Judge. I am here. Mr. Costello did answer for me, but I jumped in just at the right time.
You sure did.
I'm gonna ask confer, Judge, if I can get in line to confer.
You're scheduled to do so. Thank you. 670-233, State versus Isabel Perez, attorney Julie Pollack.
Present, Judge.
Good morning, Miss Julie. How are you?
How are you doing?
I'm okay. That's good to see you.
Good to see you. I need to confer with the state, but if I'm in line. I might need to go to Judge Carruthers' court, but I will come back. Is that all right?
I put you on the schedule. Is Miss Perez here? Isabel Perez.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
I
Good
see
morning, Miss
her
Perez. How are
name.
you?
Good morning.
All right, Ms. Paula, go ahead and take care of what you got to, and we'll be here.
Well, I'll go sit in line for a while. I don't have to be there until for about 15 minutes. Thank you.
I doubt that you'll be.
Isabel, just stay online.
All righty.
Okay.
673-211, State versus Jeremy Cortez, attorney, Valerie Headland.
Good morning, Your Honor. My client
morning,
is
Ms.
also
Headland.
here.
Pardon me? Your
My
client's there
client
with
is
you?
here.
Very good. What are you doing this morning?
Confer, please, if I could get in line.
I will put you on the list to confer. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
674-653, State versus Edward Murray, attorney, Juan Aguilera. Edward Murray. Going once, going twice, failure to appear on Edward Murray. And Mr. Aguilera has not done any better. He's not answering. 674-845, State versus Joseph Guastella or Guastella, depending upon what that is. Gil Coronado, attorney.
President, Your Honor, he's in the courtroom and we're trying to get this. He's got two cases. We're trying to get him transferred to Veterans Court.
All righty. Have you applied or what's the status?
I think we have. I'm not sure what the status is, but.
Well, you reset it 4 times and we still haven't gotten anywhere at all. So let's try to get something done on it as far as being transferred or not.
Sure will.
Thank you, Gil.
Thank you, Judge.
Regards to your pops.
Sure will. Thank you. Appreciate it.
675-621 State versus Crystal Moreno, attorney Brent de la Paz.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sorry, a little slow on the dog and everything.
Well, good morning to you. I was going to say good afternoon, but
Judge, I do that all the time.
You're still within the timeline. How are you, Brent?
I'm doing well, Your Honor. Good to see you.
Good to see you, sir. Crystal Moreno.
She is, I saw her a second ago.
Hello.
I see her. Crystal's iPhone, it says.
Yes.
Good morning, Ms. Moreno.
Good morning.
What are you doing this morning, Brent?
Your Honor, it's still a fairly new case. I don't know that I have all the discovery yet. Is it possible, with your permission, to get another reset, please?
Yes, sir. You've been reset twice, and it's not outrageous to ask for a third one, but just bump it up. Reset 30 days.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Discovery.
Okay.
You got anything else, Brent?
No, Your Honor. That should be it for this morning.
Well, at least in this court. I hope you got all kinds of things all over the place. All right, Ms. Moreno, unless Mr. De La Paz needs to see you right now, you're both excused.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good one.
You too.
Thank you, Your Honor.
676-510 State versus Benjamin Galvan, attorney John Garcia. Benjamin Galvan. Failure to
President
appear.
Moore, he should be logging on. We're set up for a plea today, Your Honor.
You are. You got all your paperwork done? I don't see anything here that shows it says plea.
Oh, really? We did
Ms.
I did
Flores?
paperwork 3 weeks ago.
Ms. Flores, is this set for a plea?
I don't see it set for a plea, but I'll check to see if we have paperwork.
Double check. All right. You said
Thank you.
Mr. Galvan is with us, Mr. Garcia?
You should have logged in. I'll check with him.
I always love it when people tell me he should have. He should be here, Your Honor. Okay, I know that.
I'm here. No, I'm here. I'm here. Let me find out. In fact, let me actually give him a call and I'll be back in a little bit. Thank you.
All right, for right now, he's a failure to appear unless you get him to report.
I sure will. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. 676-527 State versus Manuel Morales, attorney James Hunt.
I am present.
Benjamin. I see Benjamin Galvan answering now. All right. Buenas tardes. All right, he's answered, Mr. Garcia. Okay, let Mr. Garcia know that Mr. Galvan is present.
Okay.
Manuel Morales.
He told me he's logged into Zoom. I've
Okay.
spoken with him this morning, but I would like to confer.
I'll list you to confer, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Get your work done. 678-341 State versus Denise Escalante, who is currently a guest at the Bexar County Hilton. Therese Carter.
Good morning, Judge. I'm here for Ms. Escalante. You're correct. She is currently in custody. If I could confer with the state, I'd appreciate it.
I didn't know that you were Therese. I always knew you as Terry. All right. And obviously, Ms. Escalante is involuntarily present. You wanted to do what, ma'am?
If I could please confer with the state judge.
Absolutely. You are listed to do so.
Thank you.
Fifth page, 678-348 State versus Andrew Valderas. And
Judge.
Ricardo Ramos.
Judge, I'm here for Mr. Ramos. He's my law partner. Judge, Mr. Valderas has a felony.
Wait. Who's answering?
Efrain Torres.
Efrain.
Yes, Judge. Ricardo Ramos is my law partner, Judge, and Mr. Valderas is our client.
Okay.
He does have
Mr. Valderas here.
No, Judge. Mr. Valderas is currently enrolled in lifetime recovery, Judge. I can get some paperwork for the court, but he is in rehab.
Well, I'm glad that he's trying to do something for himself.
Yes, Judge.
Lifetime recovery. Let's give him 60 days, huh?
Will do, Judge. Thank you.
Now, be aware that he's got 2 felonies. Among them, one of them is unindicted.
Correct, Judge.
Number. All right, you guys get on that.
Yes, Judge. So 60 days?
60-day reset in your case only. On
Thank
this
you,
and everything. 678-371 State versus Thaddeus Kelly, attorney. David Cuellar.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm present.
Good. That is Mr. Cuellar.
Yes, and my client is on as well.
Okay, and what are you doing this morning?
Your Honor, this is the first setting. This case is about a month old.
Say again?
This is the first setting, and we don't have blood results yet. So we're respectfully asking for a reset, waiting for the
Judge, it's a no file as well.
Really, 678-371? All right, let's give you 60 days. No file. Blood, you got every reason for a 60-day reset or more, but we're going to give you 60. And finally, 678-387 State versus Enrique Ruiz. Enrique Ruiz is a failure to appear. Is that a no file also? Linda?
Yes, Judge, I have Mr. Enrique Ruiz on the phone right now. I'm speaking with
Okay, then it's not a failure to appear. Huh? No file? Okay, no, folks, that's the, as Elmer Fudd you say, did it. That's all, folks.
Your Honor, can I make an announcement?
I'm sorry?
Can I please make an announcement?
Yes, sir.
On Efren Palomino, Judge, I believe that is going to be case number 654-518 and the companion case, Judge. I talked to ADA and we are waiting on medical, I guess, restitution. He said he should have it potentially in about 30 days.
Well, let's give him, let's just reset you for 40.
Thank you, Judge. Will Ms. Flores send those new dates?
Linda Flores.
45 days is April the 19th on that case. And on the other case, it's going to be April 26th.
Give me the case number. Are they both right here? Both of them 654-518?
Efrain is the one for 654-518 is 419. And then the 348, I'm sorry, is for 426, the one that you gave him for 60 days on the very last page, Judge.
Okay. Very good.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Did you happen to have enough time to check the other one that they were talking about?
Not yet, Judge. I'm gonna do that right after I get off the phone with Mr. Luis.
No problem. Okay. Attorneys, any attorney need to check in?
Ed Piker from Breakout.
Ed Piker from Breakout, Texas. All right. What do we got? Case number?
661233.
Okay.
Put it on the jury docket. And if my client, after we get the date, if my client, Mr. Lewis, could be excused and asked to call me.
Trial docket. All right, sir. Ms. Flores?
Yes, how many days?
Trial docket.
Oh, trial. Okay, April the 6th. I mean, I'm sorry, May 6th, sorry. May 6th for trial.
May 6th, Mr. Piker.
All right, I'll put it down. If Mr. Lewis can be excused and asked to call me, please have a good day.
Mr. Lewis, you are excused. Be sure you call up Mr. Piker.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Call me, Randall.
Your Honor, may I approach? I'm back from the breakout. This is Jaime Aldape.
Jaime Aldape. Talk to me on 632-893.
I conferred that case. They'll submit a dismissal today, Judge.
They're gonna dismiss. Well, doggone it, where's all the fun in that?
This is still pretty fun, Judge.
I know you objected, right?
And then I have a second client, Your Honor.
I know you do. Give me the other one. It's right down the same page, 652-482. Michael Lopez.
He also has 672-941.
Right, they're right there together.
And Your Honor, we got an offer on this case. I'd asked for 30 days. The odds are very high that he's going to take the offer, but I just want to make sure he doesn't lose his job. So we're going to confirm that.
You'll be able to find that out in 2 weeks because this thing's been reset 11 times, Mr. Aldape.
The reason for the resets, Judge, is because he had one case and then he picked up a second case. So we were waiting on different results for the BAC, but we hope to have everything resolved at once, Your Honor.
All right, then I'll give you the 30 days, but don't look for another reset.
Thank you, Judge. And he's here. May we both be excused, Judge?
Yes, sir. You're both excused. Thank you.
Linda, will I get a date later or?
Yeah, so on Michael Lopez, it's March 31st. And on Rocky, is it 30 days as well?
It's a dismissal.
Oh, it's a dismissal. Okay, I'll write that down.
Okay, thank you.
May I approach, Judge?
Who seeks to approach?
John Pettis seeking to approach for Rosalind.
John Pettis, talk to me.
Yes, Judge, on Rosalind Ortiz, 665-791. I have spoken to the state. They're going to get me paperwork for a plea. If we can get this recalled for a different date for a plea setting, that would work great.
Reset for plea.
How about next Thursday, the 10th?
I will be in Uvalde County.
How about Friday, the 11th?
I'll be in Bell County.
Okay. If we do it the following week, we could do it probably in person on the 14th through the 18th.
As long as Ms. Ortiz doesn't have a problem with going in person, I'm fine doing it on the 17th.
Okay. All right. And go ahead and send me the email just in case, and that way we'll have everything ready. Even if you come in person, we'll have everything ready.
I'll email it to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Lynn. May my client not be excused, Judge?
Yes, sir. You are excused. Thank you. Attorneys, let's see, we got Mr. Castro.
Yes. Ready to announce, Judge. Zachary Martinez-Crumpton, I believe he still hasn't been able to log in. I told him that he's just gonna have to go down to the courthouse if he can't.
Are you in touch with him, Mr. Castro?
Yes, Judge.
I tell you what, until Until I find out that I can't take your word, something, you're an officer of the court, I'm gonna take your word on that. He's having troubles. I had troubles this morning. It PO'd me a little bit, but computers are computers.
I assure you, Judge, he's called the office at least 10 times this morning trying to figure
That's
it out.
fine. That's fine. So that's why I'm taking your word for it. What are you gonna do?
State's gonna get me an offer by email by the end of the day, Judge. They're trying to confirm restitution one more time before giving me something in writing.
Okay. Gonna confirm restitution. So we'll give you 30 days in that matter, but that'll be for disposition.
Understood, Judge.
March 31st.
Also known as a 31.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
May I be excused?
You are excused, so is your client. Let him know.
Thank you.
Attorneys, Ron Zimmerman.
Yes, Judge. I have spoken to the state, Mr. Delco, and he has informed me that they have filed 4 dismissals for the 4 cases, and they're awaiting your signature.
Okay, what's your case number, Ron?
Oh, I'm sorry. It's on page number.
I got it. 660-739 and company.
And company, yes.
All right, real good.
Okay, may we be excused, myself as well as Mr.
Rojas Aparicio. Yes, you're
Aparicio.
both excused. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Judge.
All right, who else? Attorneys.
Judge
Patrick,
Val- Oh,
go
go
ahead,
ahead,
Val.
Patrick. No, go. You have your hand raised. Go ahead, Patrick.
That's all right, Valerie Hedlund.
Oh,
Ladies first.
thank you, sir.
I'm old
Sorry,
school.
Patrick.
I'm old school, that's what.
Could I do have an offer. Could I go into a breakout room with my client? He's showing Jeremy on the screen.
Tell me the number,
The
Valerie.
case number is 673-211.
Okay. What page?
I think 3, if I remember.
It's page
2 okay.
Page 4. And you're gonna do what now? You're gonna
Could I
go into
confer with
person?
my client and convey
Yeah.
the offer?
Very good. That's Jeremy Cortez. Go
Yes,
right
sir.
ahead, man.
Thank
Okay,
you.
Valerie, I'm gonna go back to room 10.
Okay.
Put him in there with you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Attorneys, let's see who was next.
Judge Patrick Ballantyne, on Christopher Kite. I conferred with Mr. Stone.
Okay, Patrick, give me a case number.
Oh, sure. 665-135.
665, there you go. Yes, sir.
I conferred with Mr. Stone. They are requesting one more reset to try to make complainant contact, and they say if no contact's made, disposition will be forthcoming on the next setting.
State to contact the CW. All righty. We're gonna reset you. How much time do you actually need?
I'm fine with a week, but they probably want a little longer than that.
Well, let's give you 2 weeks. Since you're being generous, I'll be a little more generous. Linda, reset it for 2 weeks for disposition.
March the 18th.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Valentine. Are you the attorney of record? Because I show a Jason Goss.
Well, we're all in the same firm, so I believe we're all
Okay.
attorneys of record.
Good enough. That's what I wanted to make sure we're not getting crosswise here. All right. Next attorney, talk to me.
Well, Your Honor, it's John Garcia. We're just waiting to see if they have the paperwork.
Yes, I'm gonna go check.
Thank you when you get a chance. Thank you. I'll be here.
Right now. Next attorney, let's hear from attorneys. No attorney to report. All right. Defendants. So far, I have missing and absent. Tamara Gordley. Failure to appear. Edward Murray. Edward Murray. Failure to appear. Wow, that's the only ones that are failure to appear. Let me try it one more time. Yep. All right. Folks.
Excuse me, sir.
Anybody need to address the court?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
This is Charles Gracia. Do I wait for my attorney?
Who's your attorney?
Oldtorf, I think.
Oltersdorf. Yes, sir. You have to wait for him. He's
So I stay on here?
Yes, stay on.
Yes, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
All righty.
Judge, may I approach James Hunt?
Mr. Hunt, absolutely.
We are done conferring on Manuel Morales, case number 676-527. We have an offer. I would like to go over discovery with my client and likely set this for a plea at some time in the near future.
676-527. Manuel Morales.
Yes.
Did he answer? Manuel Morales?
Yes, he's in the courtroom, Judge. There he is.
Okay. Okay. Very good. For some reason, I hadn't marked him. All right, Jim, let's get you in breakout with your client, Ms. Flores.
Yes.
You was probably number 11 before.
Yes. Okay, so Mr. Hunt, go back to 11 and I will put him in there with you.
Thank you.
Mhm.
And good morning, Ms. Diaz.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Of course, some of us are Americans, we say that's Ms. Tellez. I say Diaz.
I do too, Your Honor.
Well, it looks like we're going to have to stick around a little while the dust settles. Ms. Flores, I'm going to go ahead and mute for a while I look at yesterday's work that's unfinished.
Okay, and as for John Garcia, we don't have the plea packet. They haven't done it at all. I have the discovery and plea agreement, but not the plea packet from either one.
All right, then let's recall
Can
it. Mr. Garcia, we're going to recall you in 1 week. Get the paperwork finished. I'm not going to be sitting around waiting.
Yes, Your Honor, but they didn't. The ADA did not send it to me.
No, sir. I have the ADA's paperwork. It's
Oh, you do? Okay, good.
It's my paperwork. It says plea packet. And it was sent out on, I will tell you when.
Can we get it done right now, do you think?
No, we're going to reset it. I sent it out to you on February 8th.
February 8th. Could you send it one more time, please? I'm sorry.
Recall 1 week.
Thank you. Maybe we'd be excused, Your Honor.
Let me just tell you, if it's not completed before the
That
call
stuff will
docket,
happen.
I'll just recall it another week.
March the 10th.
We're gonna get it done. We'll get it done,
All
Your
right.
Honor. Thank you.
Very good, John. You take care. Stay safe.
You too. Thanks.
It's already been sent.
All right, Linda.
Yes, sir.
674-845. Bill Coronado was asking for this case to be transferred to the Veterans Treatment
Yes,
Court.
and I'll send that and I'll reset it too.
Okay, so then we're through on that one for today, right?
See, and
At least I am on the docket.
yes.
All righty.
And I'll reset that one. Okay, got it.
Okay, Ms. Headland has not come back. Neither has Ms. Carter, Terry Carter.
Judge Julie Pollock is back,
Ms. Pollock.
but I do have to go to Judge Carruthers. The prosecutor needs 30 days on this case to try and reach out to their complaining witness.
Give me the case number real quick, Julie.
670233.
670-233, bottom of
I
page
think it's on
three.
the third page.
Third page,
Yeah.
yeah.
It's the last one on page 3, Isabel Perez. So what are you doing on that, Julie?
The state needs 30 days.
Oh, they had to do 6 months. State, 30 days.
March 31st, Ms. Pollock.
Julie, take care. Stay safe.
March 31st. Okay, thank you.
Take care.
May my client be excused?
Yes, ma'am. You're both excused. Thank you.
Judge, Jim Ultersdorf, could I confer with Ms. Telis Sanchez of the Santos of the probation office, please?
Give me 1 second.
Sure.
Absolutely.
About
Miss
Mr. Welch.
Miss Thea Santos,
Yes.
Jim Ultersdorf, how dare you? How long you been here in San Antonio?
Oh, no, that's not it. I'm from Del Rio. I'm just.
Well, that's even, that's just as good. It's Tellez is not Telis. It's Thea.
Tejas. We don't have.
Thea, she is Thea Santos.
I used to love it when we get a visiting judge in here. I used to love him here. This one guy would say, Richard Langalois.
I saw him yesterday. He's looking a little rough. We need to pray for him. I guess he's looking a little bit weak.
Sorry to hear that. Let me go see what.
Well, it may not be anything serious, but like I said, it might be good to pray for him. All right.
Mr. Hunt.
Yes. We would like to take the state's offer. So could we reset for a plea?
Okay.
Jim, what's the case number real quick?
676-527.
Okay, yes.
Would you like to do it next week, Mr. Hunt?
Sure.
Okay, how about the 11th?
Got it.
Okay, can you send me and the prosecutors your client's email so we can send out the paperwork, please?
I sure can.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. And Mr. Morales is free to go. Is that
Oh,
correct?
yeah, we will let him know in the courtroom. Sorry.
Okay, thank you.
Linda, did we wrap up Valerie Hedlund? No, she's not through yet, right?
No, I think she's with, she's talking to her client.
Okay, I got you.
Hi, Terry.
Hi, Linda. I've conferred with.
It's Terry
ADA's
Carter, also known as Therese Carter.
Yes.
You rascal, I never knew you as Therese. All right, I'm
yeah,
sorry.
that's my name. I just go by Terry. It's okay, Judge.
Got
I was just conferring on Miss Escalante's case. That's
Yes.
cause number.
I got it. 678-341. I happened to be on that page when I saw your name and I saw your face
Oh,
on
excellent.
the
So
screen.
I have conferred with Mr. Stone. They do have the labs back on the felony that is currently pending and holding her in custody. Kevin's going to reach out to the felony ADA and see if we can try to resolve all of these cases. If I could have a brief reset to give him time to reach out to felony
How about
prosecutors out of the
tomorrow?
144th.
How
Oh,
about
that might be
reset-
too soon.
Reset for tomorrow.
That might be too soon.
I'm just giving you a hard time. That's all. Okay, what are we giving her, Linda? 30 days is enough, Terry?
I think that's more than sufficient. That should give me more than enough time. And if we have a deal worked out prior to the 30 days, I'll contact Linda and reset it accordingly.
Would you please?
Absolutely, Judge.
Where are you at?
March 31st.
Is that just a screen behind you or are you in the office?
I'm in an office. It's like a community area. I'm in this little
Okay.
weird, I'm in this
I was
little
gonna say,
pod.
looks like a lot of windows and stuff, so that's great. All right, Terry, it's good to see you. We're gonna give you 30 days to get all this wrapped up.
March 31st, Terry.
March 31st. And is Miss Escalante here in the meeting, or do I need to set up a
No.
RAV?
No, you'll have to set it up. Yeah.
Okay. No, that's no problem, Linda. Thank you so much. Judge, may I please be excused?
You are excused. Take care of yourself. Stay safe.
Thank you, you as well.
All right. Did you try and get a hold of Juan Aguilera?
No, not yet. Let me try getting a hold of him right now for you.
Okay, we got Valerie Headland. Let me see. We never heard from Roberto Vargas, did we? On Regalado, the very first case of the day.
No, sir.
You might try and give him a call.
Okay.
Tell him that the court is unhappy that not only is he not here, but his client's not here. We've got less than a handful of cases left. All right. If you need me, let me know. I'm going to be working on this. Do I have anything in Adobe waiting for me?
I'm not sure, Judge. I'll look in a minute.
Okay, I'll check. I'll look. It's my job anyway. Ain't that right, Kayleen? It's my job.
Yes, sir. It sure is.
I'm not worried about you at all, Kayleen, because there's a shortage of court reporters. So come January 1st, you should be okay, huh?
Well, I was wondering about that, Judge. I really have no idea, but if you say so.
Oh, yeah. When we started those two impact courts, we found that we have a shortage of court reporters.
Well, I know there's been a shortage going on for the last couple of years, but I wasn't sure if it reached all the way locally.
It's my impression that it is, but besides, you're skilled and able, so you'll be the one I'm worried about is my Linda. Linda, listen, Linda.
Yes.
Listen.
It's okay. I'll be
But
okay.
you should be all right.
I should be okay.
We're on YouTube, but I